The one thing that breaks you into the big leagues, especially in your online business. Hey guys, Jim Edwards here, and welcome to another edition of Letting the Chickens Out with Jim. I have already let the chickens out, and they are having their morning snack. And I wanted to talk to you guys about something that may seem obvious, but it's something that a lot of people don't really pay attention to and actually have a mental block against. And that is the way that you break into the big leagues online. And when I say big leagues, I mean big sales, big money. The way you do that is you've got to have a big ticket product. You are not going to make big bucks online by selling a $7 tripwire thing. You are not going to do it by selling a $29 ebook. I have a $29 ebook we have sold since August of 2001. We have sold a couple $1,000,000 worth of that ebook, which means we've sold hundreds of thousands of copies, whatever the frickin' math is. But it took 20 years to do it. And the thing is, well, 18 years. I'm rounding, okay, sorry, math isn't my thing. So the big thing to understand is that you've got to have a big ticket item. And to me, a big ticket item is anything that's over $200. So some people, oh, that's not big ticket, Jim. That's just a lead thing for me. Okay, whatever, Chuckles. The thing is, if you want to make bigger bucks, you've got to have something in your value ladder that will get people to pay you hundreds of dollars at a pop. Because it is easier and simpler to find 100 people to pay you $200, okay, and that's 20,000 bucks, than it is to find 2,000 people to pay you $10. So does that mean the only thing you should have is a high ticket item? And the answer to that is no. Why does everybody always make everything a choice? It's like you either do this or you do that. No, I'm telling you, do this in addition to what you're doing, because you need to have little stuff on the front end that you use to get people to sort and separate themselves. And then you have people that, where are y'all going? Look, I get nervous when they walk up behind me like that. You gotta have something for the high reactors, the big fans, the people that just love you and want more. You gotta have a way for them to spend more money. You gotta have a way for them to get more value. And really that's what it's about. You need to have a big ticket item. Wow. You need to have a big ticket item so that the people who want more value from you can get more value from you. And my experience is that between 10 and 20% of the people who buy a lower ticket item from you are eager, if they see the value, to spend more money with you at a higher level because they want more of you. They want more of what you got. They want more of what you're selling. They want more of the value. They just want more of you. So you've got to be able to put this out. And I really learned this lesson in 2003 when I finally came out with a high ticket item that enabled me to actually pay off my house. We had gotten out of the trailer park. We had bought a little house, and I came out with my first big ticket item and ended up paying off the house 18 months after we had moved into it. That's when the light bulb went off and said, oh, wow, hey, maybe I should create stuff that has more value in it that I can charge more for, that people will be excited about. So I would just tell you, maybe this weekend, sit down, get out a piece of paper, and plan out your value ladder. This is something that Russell talks about in his books. He calls it a value ladder. I mean, you can call it your back end, whatever it is. But sit down and think through, okay, somebody comes in, maybe they get something free, maybe they get something low price. What's the next thing that that person should want to buy from me that I could do for them? And then what would be the next thing there? Typically, when you think about it, people do a low price thing, they do an ebook or something like that, and then you have a home study course, then you might have some sort of group coaching, and then you might have a live event, and then you might have a mastermind. These are the types of things. But that next thing, that thing that we typically call a home study course or a higher ticket item. There are a lot of different ways to come up with that. But think through what that might be, what that might look like, what the topic would be, what the thing. The mosquitoes are eating the crap out of me. That's why I keep doing this. I'm suffering for you right now. Just want you to know that. So anyway, just think that through, because I'm telling you, no matter what market you're in, if somebody's buying something on the front end from you, a certain percentage will pay more money to get more value on the back end. And we need to start focusing in on that. So I'm Jim Edwards. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye, everybody.